Alrighty, Chris, here's your 427 small block Ford. Get your description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Victor Junior manifold with the Holley Sniper. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump oil pan. Eagle with a skinny gear front end on it. Going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned.
Yoke 3400 or 518 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 550, peak horsepower 539, rated at 520. You see it runs very good. It's all kind of our new silver head. It's got a Victor Junior on it too, so that helps to dig in. So we'll show you a couple things here. Basically, I would see you're going to find this thing. It looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It's full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have some other specs like your engine number. If anything from us, engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.